Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are talking about how to hard reset Soundcore Space Q45 headphones. To hard reset the Soundcore Space Q45 headphones, you have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to ensure the headphones are turned on. Then you have to identify the power button and the volume plus button on the headphones. Then you have to press and hold the power button and the volume plus button for about 5 to 10 seconds simultaneously. Then you should see the indicator light flash or hear a sound indicating that the reset process has started. Once the lights or sound indicate the reset has started, release the buttons. Then turn off the headphone and then turn them back on to ensure the reset was successful. And issue you are facing with your Soundcore Space Q45 headphone has been fixed or not. If you want to know more detail about this product, I'll give you the link in the description. You can go from that link, and if you want to buy the product, you can buy from that link. Hopefully this video help you to hard reset your Soundcore Space Q45 headphones. Thanks for watching.